In this video, I am going to show you how to edit videos in Opus Clip. Let's get started. Opus Clip is designed to turn long videos into short AI-generated clips. It is not a traditional full video editor, so you can only edit after the AI processes your video. First, upload your long video or paste a YouTube link. Wait for the AI to generate your short clips. Once done, select the clip you want to edit and click Edit Clip. Inside the editor, you can trim or split sections using the timeline. You can delete unwanted parts and correct the transcript if needed. To customize captions, go to the Captions tab. Here, you can change fonts and effects or choose a preset to match your branding. You can also toggle AI B-roll, add stock footage, include background music, and apply transitions. After making your edits, click Save Changes. Download the video or schedule it directly to your social media platforms. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.